Welcome back to another house tour. Today we're here in South Forbes Villas in Silang, Cavite to feature this 21.8 million modern Mediterranean home. Before we begin with this house tour, I'd like to invite you to click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga bago nating house tour. Now, we're also on social media. We have our Facebook and Instagram. This property sits in a lot area of 154 square meters with a floor area 250 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 toilet and bath, and a multi-purpose room on the 3rd floor that can be converted into an entertainment room, a study room, an office, depends on what you like. And this also has a carport that can fit 2 vehicles. So let's begin our house tour, beginning with the frontage of the property. This design is modern Mediterranean. Here in South Forbes Villas, the designs of the houses here are modern Mediterranean, starting with our roof. Our roof is Tigula roof tiles, which is one of the best types of roofs that can be installed in your house. Very long term, and it is very durable. Now here on the other side, on the pedestrian gate, will be your entryway or your covered porch going inside your property. So tara, ikutin na natin yung buong labas ng property. So as we enter, we are greeted by our covered entry porch, which is very nice because it protects you from the harsh weather conditions if it's raining, if it's sunny. And then you also have your door here, which has a smart lock entry. And then on your side will be your garden space or provision for your landscape gardening. By the way, this house has been built way back in 2023 and it's still very well maintained. All right, on the other side will be your carport, which can fit your 2 mid-size SUVs or 2 sedans. So as you can see, it's also covered. You also have your LED lighting on top. You also have your very designed flooring here on the carport. Now right here on the side will be your access door going to the service area, which is currently yung access natin papasok ng bahay. So as we enter, this is your covered dirty kitchen and laundry area on the side, and here on this side would be your maid's room with its own toilet and bath, which can fit your single or double bed. Now as you move a little bit further, here on the side of the property will be more space for you to have your own landscape garden and an access going to your suggested dining area, which is a sliding glass door. So this is actually the back part of the property already. So naka-pebbles lang siya, but depende sa inyo if you would like to put more landscaping here so that you have a very pleasant dining experience here at the back. So let's go and enter the inside of the property. Welcome to the ground floor. As we enter the property, you'll be greeted by your porch ba to, or patio, what do you call this, your entryway. And then you can actually put a mirror here or maybe tables here, a small cabinet here for your shoes so that as you enter, pwede nyo nang tanggal dyan. Now, right beside the entryway would be your powder room. This is just the right size, so it's fully tiled. And then you also have your sink, you have your toilet, and you also have your mirror or LED. Now here, as you move a little bit forward, as you can see, just to appreciate yung lines na ginamit niya. Yung tiles natin, it's diagonally placed. And you have your straight lines here, similar to a cove or niche-like design here on the ceiling, which gives you that additional effect of very nicely made or nicely used lines here. So this is your suggested living area. Actually depends which part you would like to put your living or dining area because it's an open layout. Now most of the furnishings or most of the finishes that has been used here has been imported from Italy, Germany, and also other parts or other countries outside of the Philippines. Now right beside it would be your suggested dining area. Again, this is an open layout. It depends on where you would like to place your living or dining area. But for the suggested living dining area, it can easily fit your 6-seater, even your 10-seater dining table because of its length. Now you also have these niches here wherein you can put your accent artworks. You can put your vases here, beautifully made, handcrafted vases, or maybe handicrafts. It depends on how you would like to design it. Now here on the ground floor, we have this huge air conditioning which is already included in the sale of the property. Now, right beside it would be your kitchen area. Now, for your kitchen area, it's U-shaped. You have your countertop here, and you have your soft close cabinets with laminate. These are wood laminate. You have your Elba cooktop. You have your range hood, Elba range hood. You have a sink here. You can actually wash the dishes, and you can put tables and chairs here so that you can enjoy your breakfast here. Now, what's nice about this ground floor actually is, again, the lines and the use of niches on the ceilings and even in the walls, which gives you that effect. So we're done here on the ground floor. Let's go to the second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Here we have 3 bedrooms. You have 2 toilet and bath. Let's begin by just admiring yung ating hand railings. The hand railing is made out of wood, and you have your steel here. Actually, this house has been here since 2023 and wala na nakatira doon. So, as you can see, kitang-kita nyo kung how well built the house is because it's withstanding sabi nga nila, masisirang bahay kapag wala nakatira. So, it's very sturdy. So, as we enter, let's begin with the first bedroom here in the second floor. As you can see, you already have a good space wherein you can place a semi-double, double bed, or even two single beds. And you have a full-size cabinet on this side. Now, what's nice about this is it's a good size for 2 children or 2 teenage kids. Kasyang-kasya po yung gamit natin. They kept it open so that you can have that option to have your own door. Maybe just put curtains there so that it will be open and it allows the clothes to breathe or even the bags to breathe. So, you also have here a view of the back. So, yung back part natin, or the back part of this property is located, this property is located in the perimeter. But what's nice about it is the back side is another exclusive subdivision. It's Chateau de Paris here in Silang, Cavite. And you will just enjoy the full breeze of the air at the back. You have this huge window and you have a beautiful view of the back side. So, at least safe pa rin yung likod natin. Now, right beside this room will be the second bedroom of the house. Very identical in size. You also have, by the way, all of the rooms comes with a split type air conditioning. All of these are inverter type air conditioning. So you have your cabinets here, you have your SPC flooring or vinyl type floor. I'll double check, I'll get back to you regarding that. You have this big window, and then again you have the view of the village at the back, the exclusive subdivision at the back. Now right beside these two bedrooms will share this common toilet and bath here, right beside this room, which is fully tiled all the way up. You have white tiles and gray tiles with combination, and you have a niche here, a very long niche wherein you can put your soap, put your shampoo, you have your shower, you have your telephone shower, you also have your toilet, and you have a mirror, and you have a counter for your sink. Now, let's move on to the master's bedroom. For the master's bedroom, it comes with your balcony, you have a walk-in closet, you also have your own his and hers sink. So this is your master's bedroom. You have, again, your split type air conditioning with the space for your queen size or king size bed because you already have a walk-in closet. And you also have a balcony which is still a good size. At least you can enjoy the breeze of the air. Dito po kasi sa Southward Villas, ang maganda dito, it's elevated compared to Nuvali. So this is actually just 5 minutes away from Nuvali, but this is more elevated, a little bit more cooler, especially during the Burr months. So here is your access going to your walk-in closet. It's just the right size. So tamang-tama lang siya. So siguro baka hindi na his and hers to. Hers lang to kasi medyo maliit siguro for some people watching. So this is the walk-in closet. Open design so that the clothes and the bags can breathe, but you have the option to close it. It depends on you. It depends on what you prefer, especially if you're the one buying. And also, this has an enclosure, a sliding enclosure, a sliding door, so that it can separate the living area, the sleeping area, and the closet area and the toilet. So here we also have an access going to our sink or the master's toilet and bath. You have your his and hers sink. You have a mirror here. You have a window there. It's fully tiled here. LED lights. You have your sink. You have a shower that is enclosed. So we're done here in the second floor. Let's now go to the third floor, which is my favorite part. Welcome to the third floor. Here we have the multi-purpose room and another bedroom. Now, one thing that I like about this third floor is this multi-purpose room. It's very spacious. A lot of light is coming inside it and it's very nice. I can think of a lot of things na pwede kong gawin dito. It can be an office, a gym, an entertainment room, a man cave. It can also be your homeschool room if you're homeschooling. This can also be a library if you'd like it. A hobby room. So, ang daming pwedeng gawin because it's very spacious. By the way, this will be enclosed. Magkakaroon po dyan sa side nyo ng sliding glass door. So, at least covered siya. And another thing that I like about the third floor, this is the flooring here is built out of cement. Unlike the other houses na attic sila or third floor, they are actually built out of wood or gypsum board. So hindi siya ganun ka tibay as this one. Pero matibay pa rin naman yun. Okay? So also one thing I like about this is this mirror here. This allows a lot of natural light, and also if you open it up, mas magiging breezy. And again, since this is perimeter and yung nasa likod natin is an exclusive subdivision, this has a very nice view of the back. Now moving forward, here also on the third floor, we have this small space here which can be a living room for the second floor. You can put your refrigerator, so medyo kung tinatamad ka na bumaba, you can put a refrigerator, small pantry here so that you don't need to go down, especially if you made this into an office. By the way, this air conditioning unit here will be moved because, yan, nakalagay nga, iuurong po yan, medyo off lang yung pagkakalagay niya. Now, also here on the third floor will be another bedroom. Now, for this one, maybe if you prefer the other one to be a entertainment area, this can be your office space. Or this can be a storage area or another sleeping area because you also have your windows here. You have a window here so that the air can go in. So this is spacious, wala lang siyang cabinet, but you can put a semi-double or double bed and a one full-size cabinet. Now, right beside it would be the last toilet and bath of the house, which is also inclusive of a toilet, a little bit smaller compared to the ones that you saw. You have your sink with the counter. You have a shower with shower enclosure. Thank you for watching our house tour today. If you would like to see this property in the actual, or you would like to know more about this property, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. We also have our social media accounts. We have our Facebook, Instagram, and then meron din po kaming website, liveinthesouthph.com. You can check out all our property listings there. Now, if you're still looking around and you'd like to just get updated with our upcoming listings or new listings or mga listings that are on sale or a good price, you can join our Viber community. The link is on the description box and on the comment section. Hope to see you soon in our next house tours. Bye guys!